Hello, my name is Desnes and this is my first devlog of my first game in Game Builder Garage called Super Bubbly Ben. So this will be the first of a few videos where I show you the progress I made in Game Builder Garage. For anyone who doesn't know, Game Builder Garage is a game that released on the Nintendo Switch last Friday, and you can basically build a game in Game Builder Garage. You have these node-ons in the game that are basically like visual coding in other game engines. So this is what the coding looks like in the game. And yeah, I'm still working on my project Nebrov. I'm streaming from time to time on Twitch, and I'm playing a lot. For research, of course. So yeah, that's why the channel was mostly empty here, but we will start this new series. Oh, and before we head in, you can always try this version of the game with the code G00685CFK2. Go in Game Builder Garage, search for projects from others, and type this code in, and you will test this version. I will release every version so you can jump back and forth and see the differences between each versions. So, what is Super Bubbly Ben? It's a 3D platformer. This is my progress on like 3 or 4 days in Game Builder Garage. So you basically have Ben here. Ben wears glasses. Ben can jump, dash, wall jump, and float with his bubble abilities. He has this little bubble on his head. I first tried to make the model of the character a little bit different, and I thought of these Bomberman characters that all have these bubbles on the head, and I think that fits him well, and it makes the character more visual pleasing, especially if you run in circles. Then we have an NPC here. He has a text box that only shows when you're standing in front of him. That was difficult, but I wanted to make it so we have a little bit of dialogue in the game that explains more about the world or what to do. Then you can dash with holding the Y button. You can jump on B2, of course. You can wall jump with B, and you can dash and jump at the same time. So it will be a wider jump. And the special ability of Bubbly Ben is to float in the air with his bubble ability. I really love to spin him around when he's floating, so I think I will include that in somehow, that he will rotate while floating. I really love that motion, and I always do that on myself without the need for it. It's a little bit broken right now because you can wall jump into infinity. So yeah, then we have the apples. That will be the collectible in the end. You will need 3 or 5 of them, I think. And you have these coins, which basically unlocks the last apple, and it's like the 100 coin star in Super Mario 64. So yeah, that was all I implemented. Mostly it was about physics and teaching him how to float. If you have any questions, like how does this or this work, please ask. I will answer in the next devlog, of course, with a new build, a new test version, and of course new video for it. And yeah, stay bubbly. I hope we see us next time, and don't forget to save. Bye!